figure out what to film today as I just stare out this window at the wind blowing the trees like crazy, the snow flying around in the air. And the more I sit here with freezing cold toes, the more I just don't really want to get up and do anything. But remind me again, what do I do when I just want to sit on my butt? That's right, I turn on my camera. So literally just sitting here thinking and not desiring to do anything, I turn on my camera and I film just everything you just saw here, which is everything I'm looking at right now. And that is motivating me to now want to put all of those things in their places. So I'm going to find my fuzzy Crocs to keep my feet warm. I'm going to, well, let me just show you instead of telling you. My Crocs. Where are my Crocs? Okay, no Crocs. I guess I will just have cold feet. But clearly, I have some cleanup to do. So that will be done by the end of this video. Let's do it. Oh yeah, and the next thing to do, step number 2. Just a minute. And one more thing, you always need a basket when you're cleaning, because now this floor is clean. Excuse the dirty mirror, but the one more step is gonna be... No, let's try this. It still sweats, but at least I feel put together instead of in my pajamas. You see what happens when you start cleaning? You find stuff. But besides that, my feet aren't cold anymore because I'm sweating. Now to take care of this basket. Sometimes I organize everything into piles like laundry, kitchen, toys, books, but this time I just piled it all. So I'm going to put those away now. Well, thanks for watching. Hope that motivated you to do some cleaning in your house, but not too much, because if we just spend all our time cleaning, we never go outside. So I need to go outside before it gets dark. But I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Was that? I don't know.